It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that spring. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'm combining avocado and spring peas to make the smoothest, creamiest dip, guaranteed to spring you into good health. Skinny, spring, Pea-Style guacamole. To begin, steam 1 cup of Hy-Vee steamer frozen peas according to package directions and transfer them to a bowl to cool. Once that's done, put the peas and 1 avocado in a food processor. Cover and pulse on high for 1 to 2 minutes or until it reaches your desired consistency. 1 cup of cooked peas provides 8 grams of protein. They also provide ample vitamins and minerals, like vitamins A, C, and K, B vitamins, iron, and fiber. Next, transfer this to a bowl and stir in a 4th cup of fresh pico de gallo. If desired, you can cover and refrigerate this dip for up to 1 day. To serve, garnish with additional pico de gallo, Hy-Vee salt, coarsely ground black pepper, and cilantro. Serve with gluten-free corn tortilla chips and an assortment of raw veggies like baby carrots and halved mini bell peppers. These veggie dippers provide additional fiber for minimal calories and carbs, helping you stay full with little to no impact on your blood sugar. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Get healthcare news, dietitian recommendations, plus exclusive offers. Sign up for our Hy-Vee Health 360 monthly newsletter at Hy-Vee.com.